We will learn how to make Flappy Bird in real life. How to make Flappy Bird in Scratch. Just kidding. I didn't read the game, but the real game is that. Yeah. And you just see the guy like, And when you just press the edge or the thing, it will just like say game over. And if you did, if you wait, but that's okay. And if you and there's score two, so I have one score now the because I passed the building. So that's why. So we will. So we will learn it. Yay! Okay, we will learn. So first of all, you just see the cat in front of your face, like because that's Scratch. So the cat names Scratch. So we need a flying cat. So we will go to choose a sprite and I think we will find him in the lift. Yay. Got a cat flying thing. And then we delete you. Cat. And then, okay. And then we will get a building too, because the building, you will see why. So I think I will find a building here. Yeah, it has a lot of building, right? I didn't know like that. So we will not get the first building. You just do like that and see all that, and we will get the last building in the entire world. And 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 then we will just do like that. Whee! And then control and I will copy. Yeah, I copied and I put it up. Like, unfortunately, I have to. Eh. Wait a second. Why did I don't do that and then put it up there? No, no, no. Okay, wait a second. Eh, I fixed it! Okay, so we will do like that and you will make the things a little bit up to put it in this thing because do not make some problems. So we put it and nothing happened. So we will put the codes to control the cat. And that will take time. So let's start now. So when we go to the cat and we will get an event when green flag is clicked because Scratch is made in the green flag. Because the when green flag control everything when we just press the when green flag. So we will go to motion and go to x17, y minus 40, but we will make it 0. Yeah, minus 0. So that's it. And then we will go to variables and get velocity. Yeah, and I'll delete you and delete my variable and go to make a variable and press plus. And then we will write velocity. Here. I'm still writing it. Okay, for all sprite, not for this part only. And then you press OK. Yeah. And then we will put set velocity to 0 and then for error. In control. Yay! And then And then we'll go to variables. Where's variables? That one. And we will get change velocity by, wait, by negative 0.1. Yeah. So when you just start saying there's nothing happens, like you just see the velocity does something. So, and then we will go to motions and get change y by variables velocity. I know. I put it in here. And then we will put it in here. And then we will go to motions and get point and direction 90 and go to operators and get the blast thing and this thing. And then we'll put you here and we'll put 90 here. And then we will put minus 10 minus 10 velocity. Where's velocity? I can make a mistake here because I don't know really. And then I made a mistake. So we'll put you here and minus 10 here. And then we grab you and put you here and put you in here. And then go to controls and get the if then code control everything. Not if then else. If then. We'll put you over here in the forever code. And then we will go to sensing and operators too. But we will go to OR. We will get OR in the code. And then we will go to sensing and we will get touching and touching. Yeah, I know. We'll get that too. Touching edge or building and touching mouse. Or touching building. And then we put it here in the OR thing. And we put it here. It got a question mark, is it? True. Okay. And then we'll put you here. And we'll get the broadcast and event. Broadcast named Game Over. Yeah. Game Over. Wait, I almost dropped it, bro. Game Over. Yeah, Game Over. Write the Game Over. Here. AMEOVER. Yeah, Game Over. Yay! And then we'll put you in the middle of it then. And two, we will put you in height too. Yeah, wait. Before we do all that, we just if I could get looks and show. There's nothing better than that. Yeah. And then we will get we'll go to events. I know you hear me when I say win. I know. And we'll go to events and get win space keys pressed. Yay! And then if velocity. So we will go to control and put it here and then we will go to operators and get a velocity. So we're at here, that one. If velocity, like, and put 2 here, and put velocity, and here. And before everything, we should put it here because, like, no, here, please. Okay, that's fine. And we go to cat flag again, and then put you here. And then we will get in variables. Totally change velocity by 1, like, not down, in by 4 now. So we will try the thing now. We will try the thing and then so it can jump. Yeah. Wait. Ooh. Yeah, I want to play it every day. But we have to make the rest. So we will stop it. We will go to buildings. Yay! And we're totally get when green flag is clicked. And 2 we will get when I start as a clone. I don't know why, but we have to because this game is like that. So, and then we will we will go to motions and go to X 250, and we will go to operators again. Now I don't love the blocks, so I get in color mode. Or I don't know. Yeah, that's original here. And then you go to operators and you will get pick random by minus 90. Minus 9. The 9 and the T. And then we will go to the middle of the 1 and the 0, and we will put 1, like 110. And then I know we will duplicate that to that, but the better to finish all of the blocks in here and then duplicate all of the blocks in here and here. Yeah, and that's the easier. So, and then we will go to controls. Yay! And we will go to controls and get forever. And we will put you in here. And then that will be in. So, and then we will go to motions and get move -2. Yay! I don't know why, but it has to be like that. -2. And then we will go to controls to get them done. And then we will go to operators and I'll see that in front of my face, but that's not it. That is it. Yay! But I have to get it over here. And then we will put -245. Yeah. -245. That's really easy. And then we'll go to exposition. We'll go to motions. I don't see X position, but I see it down. Eh? 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 Okay. I know now. Okay. Let's get it. So we'll put it here. Ah. And then we'll go to x to 140, y with random minus 90 to 100. So it doesn't care really because we will duplicate it here. Eh, 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 Put you, put you here. Oh, bro, I can't get it. Okay, wait. I'll get some aura. Wait, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, let's get you. Bro, I have to make my. Okay, no, I don't care. I have to make millions of scrap. Okay, wait. I fixed it and I put it in its place, so that will be 40 here. 40. Eh, eh. I put the 4 here. And then we will get the last thing. Just kidding. And then we will duplicate this and to there. You know when I told you we duplicate that to that, but the easier to make it over there and put it here. Yeah, that's the thing. And then we will go to game over. Just kidding. We will go to paint to get game over, to make game over, to make the text, to make conversion. So game over. Nah, I wanted pixel. Because I love pixel. Pixel! And then because I think Flappy Bird, because Flappy Bird looks like pixels, like when you just see the chicken of the Flappy Bird, you just see it bang. Flap game over. Yay! And we'll make it bigger for a fact because there's no game that has game over small. And okay, wait. I'll put you in here. Yay! So we will put you here. Yeah, that's pretty good. So the code in game over before we will do the rest of the building. We will go to here and we will put the codes are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will be 9 codes in the game over sprite. Oh, okay. Anyways, in the game over sprite. So first of all, like that. When green flag is collect high. I mean high. Eh, oh. And then total you will get when I receive game over. So we'll go to events and get when I receive game over. So, but first of all, we will go to x 0 minus 100. So to be a little bit better, but I'll make it go to minus 2y minus 27. I'll try. If it doesn't work, I'll make it that. I'd make it like that, and I made it myself. And then I will go to motion, wait, and go to x minus 2 minus 27, and we will go to show because we are showing something, right? Yeah, we are. Show Because we are showing the game over when you just finish the game and when you just like press the edge or press the building, like that's scary really. Eh. And we will go to repeat 10, change y by 10, stop all. Repeat 10 in controls totally. Repeat, change y by 10, change y by 10, and then change y by 10, and then we will get stop all totally. And so wait a second. And two, when green flag is clicked show, because to make that we get when I receive two, game over. Looks, the two is in looks, show and hide. Yeah. And then wait. And then we will go to the building too. But we first will test the game before everything because like eh, eh, eh. So we will see the game. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh eh. Oh eh. Oh eh. Eh. Yeah, I lost because I pressed the edge. Anyways, we will go to the building too. And we forgot something at the building totally. So we will we will put it. So we will put in the code. We will go to when green flag is clicked. Wait 4 seconds. And create clone of myself. Yay! So let's start the game. We didn't finish the game. There's something and we will finish it, but I want to see it now. To see, yeah. Oh yeah! I think the game is working, but the last thing is the score because there's no game no Flappy Bird game without a score, right? So the score will be in the building. So I'm in myself lose because like that. So we will go to building and get F then totally. Wait, we will get in. We will get F then. Here, bruh. Bro, I was grabbing it. Bro, I want to show it to you. Why, bro? Why I don't have to? Anyways, we'll put the same here. And then we will go to operators and get equal that's equal, and we will get if you can make it 1 or 0. If it doesn't work with 1 with you, make it 0. If it doesn't work with 0 with you, make it 1. Okay? But I will put 0 because it worked with me with 0. And then we will get X position and motion, and we'll put it here. Okay, fastly, and we'll get change score by 1. Change score by 1. There's nothing else. We almost finished. But we'll make score because I forgot to write score. Wait, fast. Score. And then we'll put you here, and then you'll put change score by 1, and then we will duplicate you, And we finished. So bye. Be- before I say bye, I put that in that and put everything in here. And if you have the if then that is middle of those two, get it out. Those are fine. And I didn't play the game for you, so the unlimited time was finished, so that's why I was bye. So, anyways, we'll play it as nothing happened. So I'll play to show you, but before everything, I have to press the green flag. Wait. I think there's something wrong here. I think there isn't because I forgot something. I forgot to make set score to 0 because I'm really a dummy a little bit. But I make it and I helped you. So wait. Yeah, one score. Ugh. Okay. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. I'm your score because I pressed the green flag. So I hope you enjoyed. Bye.